How to cancel the order in Grabfood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order in Grabfood. To cancel your order on the Grabfood application, first, open the app on your mobile device. Then, tap on your account from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the Help Center in the General section. Here, search for Cancel an Order. Next, select how to cancel or edit an order already made. You will have two options for orders made via the app or mobile browser. Select the one that matches your order. Next, enter your order details. Then click on the Cancel button to submit your cancellation request. The Grabfood Help Center will notify you once your order has been canceled. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.